A ruling by a federal judge will allow migrant children to be released from detention centers in Texas and Pennsylvania. And a local immigration attorney says she wants the same for the kids here in Arizona. A 9 News Side's Rogelio Matias spoke with the attorney about what her clients are seeing in the Eloy Detention Center.
On the orders of a U.S. District Judge out of California, Immigration and Customs Enforcement has until July 17th to release children being held in detention.
If a parent is detained separately from a child, then the parent will then be released from the detention center and the child will then be able to be with the parent.
Siobhan Ayala is an immigration attorney in Tucson. She says children can be reunited with parents in ICE custody, family already living in the U.S., or into the care of foster families. She says she has clients in ICE detention centers in Arizona right now.
For instance, in Eloy, I attempted to see 6 detainees, and I was only allowed to see 1.
That's because Ayala says her other clients have been put into quarantine after someone in their pod tested positive for the coronavirus.
There's been what you can call an explosion of COVID cases in the Eloy Detention Center.
ICE's website reports 222 cases at the detention center in Eloy and 92 cases at La Palma. 2 other facilities in Arizona report 44 cases between them.
They're living in a situation where they can't socially distance from one another.
Ayala says her clients say they're given masks and communal areas are being sanitized, but detainees are sleeping 5 feet apart.
I've had clients who wanted to just forego an appeal or take an order of deportation just because they were terrified of catching COVID-19 in the detention center.
On their website, ICE says it's working closely with agencies at all levels to facilitate a whole-of-government response in confronting COVID-19. Meanwhile, Ayala says there are alternatives to detention for both her clients and other migrants, like ankle monitors.
It's the responsibility of the government when they detain someone. They take on the responsibility of the well-being of that person.
Rogelio Matias, KGUN 9, on your side.